Rimas ha. Ayan, Santino mga do. Ayan. Kapila na dagan doon? Ha? Kapila na dagan eh? May na eh? Di ba? Wala pa? First set pa lang eh. Nubis first set ha? Yun.
Di kalima pa niya kategori.
Pambansang alalay rataan eh. By Santino mga do. Tigpa yung nataro na. Tigpa yung nga. For today's video. Yun. Second spot natin mga do. By D. Vimas. Nandito. Napaka-supportive daddy. Arnel. Boss. No best for the first set mga don. Godski Monton. Medyo nadili mga don. Say Balani. Ay, Ronel, si Ronel, yun. By Pristine Racing Team ha. By Pristine Racing Team. Leading on the race by Beroc on board. Yun, Ronel Dexon. Leading on the race. Novice class. What a percent. Followed by Anton Cortez. Yun, Balani and Deep Imas. Dito na portion pwede Bimas mga dol. Sayang, Godski Monton medyo na-delay mga do ha. Ronel Dixon ha, Beroc on board. Is still leading the race by Beroc on board. Balani. Grabe, Pristine Racing Team ha. Ronel Dixon leading on the race. Sundan na yung mga dua, Balani and DB Mas. Ronel Dixon still leading on the race. DB Mas. Ronel Dixon modo and Anton Cortez. Anton Cortez. Oh, nakalimutin mo na dyan mo. Tulog-tulog na tani. Ronel Dixon na. Yan Anton Cortez mga daw. Another spot by Balani. Ramati. Another spot by DB Mas. From Coronadal. South Cotabato. Joyce. Lawik Joyce. Medyo naka-expire na dyan daan eh. Yun, Balani, Ronel Dixon and Anton Cortez. Vimas. Ronel Dixon and Anton Cortez, mga idol, from Noveson. For Noves Vlog. Alde Cruz and Dodski Montun. Bulumulog, South Cotabato. Between Matanao, Digos City. Dodski Montun and Alde Cruz. Boy! Anton the Bully Cortez. Between Berocon Board, Ronel Dixon. Oras yung spot yun. Nakuha na mga na Bullet Cortez, Ronel Dixon. Anton the Bullet Cortez leading on the race. Anton the Bullet Cortez, mga leading mga do. Leading na to mga do. Yun. Aldi Cruz. The Bullet Cortez leading on the race, followed by Ronel Dixon, followed by Pristine Racing Team. Yun! The Willy Boy. Still leading na rin mga doa. The Bullet Anton Cortez, followed by Ronel Dixon. Another spot by Balani, followed by Div Imas ng Coronadal. Leading on the race, Anton Cortez. Another spot by Ronel Dixon. Another spot by Balani. Yon. Grabe. Dudski Montun mga do. Grabe. Firm. Double. Is still leading on the race. Anton the Bullet Cortez. And second spot by Ronel Dixon, powered by Pristine Racing Team. And third spot by Balani from Mati. Malita no? Malita. Tama. Yan, sorry mga dawa. Malita deh, Malita. Di Bimas. White flag is up. White flag is up. By Anton Cortez, the Bullet Cortez. Second spot pa rin natin mga do. Ronel Dixon and Balani. Ronel Dixon. Oras yang spot. Dari nga portion mga dua Dodski Montun. Approaching for checkered flag by Anton the Bullet Cortez ng Digos. Ronel Dixon, powered by Bosti Pristine Racing Team. Yon. Checkered na tanan mo, checkered na. Dip. Sige, Do. Tindog din, Do. Nakuhaan pa. Sige lang, Dip. First ito na.